multi-chain timetable. By now, I believe most of you would have got several of your daily routine under routine. A timetable in a general perspective is something we design to keep us periodical. Well, I like to see it as a supporting tool to know what we are supposed to do at that time in case we reach late. 1. If you are a person with different shifts, then make different timetables. 2. What exactly is a multi-chain timetable? How many of you still have a to-do list, but you forget to look at it? Now, in my timetable, I have a study time in morning and in night. I have another timetable which shows what I am supposed to do in the study time. As you see, first is to look at my to-do list. Now this is your challenge. Design yourself a timetable which is realistic and let us know how you did a multi-chain on that.